Hey y'all, I'm Chris, and this is It Worth It Y'all? Last video, we said we were going to figure out what to do with some nasty bananas. Well, guess what? We made banana bread. And if you're not used to baking, this is a great place to start. We're using my favorite cookbook in the whole wide world. It's easy to find on the shelves, and they print a ton of them. So you should be able to handle this one pretty good. So stick around and we'll show you banana bread. So today we're going to work with supposedly bad bananas. So these are the bananas that you just saw that were very, very sad looking, but aren't actually bad. Outside looks completely terrible, but the inside, pretty good. So I'm going to use my favorite cookbook in the whole wide world, Better Homes and Garden Cookbook, page 114. In this version, and I just lost my page, the banana bread recipe. The only thing that I do omit is the nuts, because some people don't like nuts, so I just don't ever put them in. I need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to use my freshly milled flour because I've got some left, and I want to see how it does. Now, the directions will say that put your dry stuff with your dry stuff and your wet stuff with your wet stuff, and I don't ever do that. I just throw it all in a bowl. Baking soda and cinnamon. Let's get that. I've got it right here. Real quick. Oh, that's heaping. We don't want heaping. Okay. Got that. Got that. 1 egg, some bananas, 3/4 cups of sugar. Let's go get the sugar. Oh. And you know what? Here's what's annoying. This recipe does not call for vanilla, and I like vanilla, so I'm going to do it. Now I'm lost. 1 egg. Yes, I got to come get in my refrigerator because I forgot this part. So this is one of my 6-month-old eggs. Well, they're 7-months-old now. Check it out. They're still pretty. Oh, 3/4 cup. Okay. Now these are quick bread recipes, so they're obviously quick and they're really, really easy. You just blitz them all up, shove them in the oven. All right, we need, it says it says a 1/4 cup of cooking oil, so I'll just put this in my half measure and eyeball it. The other thing that's cool about doing these recipes, especially if you're new to baking or whatnot, these are so forgiving. These are very, very forgiving recipes. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to blend all this together. And then I'm going to put the batter in this pan and I'm going to spray it at 350 for about 50 minutes. And that's it. All right, y'all, kitchen's clean, banana bread's made, and boy, I tell you what, I love my banana bread. It is so good every single time. And it's a favorite because, like I said, we take the nuts out, so some people don't like the nuts. It's just that nice, smooth, 100% banana flavor, and it's so good, so good. So I hope that was informative and you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, y'all.